Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to the quickest, the sharpest, the easiest simple subject. Welcome to mathematics. Friends, in this video, we are going to solve question number 7 of practice set 5.2 of standard 8 of Maharashtra State Board. So, let's go. Question is 2m plus 1 upon 5 cube. If the question is 2m plus 1 upon 5 cube, both of the terms in the bracket are positive, so we can use the formula of a plus b cube. Let's write the formula. If a plus b cube is equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3a multiplied by b square plus b cube, then 2m plus 1 upon 5 cube is equals to a in the formula will be replaced by 2m, b in the formula will be replaced by 1 upon 5. Okay, numerator and denominator are separate, so we'll directly write the indices. A cube means 2m cube, 2m cube, right? It's now variable or coefficient is not alone, they are together, one term is there, hence we have enclosed it within bracket. So 2m cube plus 3 into a square, a is 2m means 3 multiplied by 2m square into b. What is b? B is nothing but 1 upon 5. Clear up to this? Plus 3ab square plus 3 multiplied by a. What is the value of a? A is 2m into b. Value of b is 1 upon 5. But do we have to multiply by b only? We have to multiply by b square. It's a fraction, so enclosed within bracket. Plus b cube. So 1 upon 5 cube. So let's go. First step we return the formula. Second step we replace the values in the formula. Third step, apply BODMAS continuously. BODMAS, solve the bracket first. 1 bracket, 2 bracket, third bracket, fourth bracket. All the bracket contain indices only, right? So directly we jump from bracket to order, means we have to solve the indices first. So let's solve the indices from left to right. 2m cube is equals to 8m cube. 2m whole cube is equals to 8m cube plus 3 into 2m square, 2m bracket square is equals to 4m square into 1 upon 5 plus 3 into 2m into 1 upon 5 square, 3 into 2m into 1 upon 25, square of fraction, square of numerator upon square of denominator, plus 1 upon 125. Cube of fraction is cube of numerator upon cube of denominator. Once again, according to BODMAS. Now bracket order finished. Multiplication or division. Here is multiplication. Here is also multiplication. Right? So let's solve the multiplication and write remaining intact terms as it is. So 8m cube is not multiplying with any number, as it is. 3 multiplied by 4. 3 4s are 12. Both are positive. So plus 12 m square into 1 upon 5. Okay. Plus 3 into 2. 6, both are positive. So 6m into 1 upon 25 plus this 1 upon 125 is intact. It's not multiplying with any other number. Once again, according to BODMAS, 2 multiplications are remained. So let's solve them. So that is equals to 8m cube plus y plus, both of the symbols are positive, hence plus 12 ones are 12 upon 5 ones are 5. So 12m square upon 5. Whenever whole number is there, its denominator is equals to 1. Whenever we are multiplying fractions, we are multiplying numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. So numerator 12m square multiply by numerator 1. So answer is 1. Multiplying any number by 1, answer is same number. So answer is 12m square. Denominator 1 multiplied by 5. 1 into 5, 5 plus y plus symbol of both are plus, hence plus 6m into 1, 6m upon 1 into 25, 25 plus 1 upon 125. Next is addition subtraction, which is not possible because all of the terms are unlike. Hence, this is our final answer. 2m plus 1 upon 5m cube is equals to 8m cube plus 12m square upon 5 plus 6m upon 25 plus 1 upon 125.